though, think that it's possible to find meaning in everything, even if it's bad. That's not to say that I minimize struggles. I just cope with it by trying to find how can I make this a purposeful thing for me, so that or a meaningful thing to me, so I can use it toward the direction that's going to positively benefit me.
What would you tell someone that feels that they don't have a sense of direction and purpose? How would you, in your opinion, be able to motivate someone and help them with their psyche if they're struggling with that?
Help them find their strength, pinpoint what's worked for them in the past, as well as there is a strength-based test through the Authentic Happiness website created by Martin Seligman.
Okay.
And it is a great way of answering a bunch of questions that don't seem connected and finding out what your strengths are, identifying the ones that you like, and making a combination of what worked in the past and what can you do now to use your natural strength to move you forward.
Okay. It would be safe to say that there are certain people that don't recognize their strengths.
Of course. Low self-esteem, low self-worth, especially people who've been with narcissists for years and years, and you question your abilities. Or if you've had multiple things go wrong in your life and you're just like, what am I doing wrong? It just could be a whole bunch of random awful things happening to you, but you have strengths in the fact you've survived that adversity. Or if you have turned to negative coping skills, sure, but you have the ability to change those things if we can find a direction for you to go that's healthy, positive, and what you want out of life. Because we use poor coping skills if we don't like where we're at.
I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Try to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter and I got me, I'm good. I'm head over shoes on hardwood. For me, you know I wrote the book. I'm moving along from somebody wrong, so go ahead, tell me all the ways you miss it. How you want me back in your bed, but I'm not around for hearing you out. I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Try to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter and I got me on my own, and I don't waste any time chasing a ghost who don't try. I'm top of the shelf, but you up to self to somebody else. It's too late. Don't really care about all of your mistakes. You were out of your league in the first place. Not even surprised that you let me down, down, down. I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Tryna play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with